What it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? Ain't nobody but Sumi Sue about to do this hairdo. So if you're interested, stick around and keep on watching. Boo. Boo.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it has been a minute since I have gotten all glam and shared a new hairstyle with y'all. And today we have a wear and go, literally. I only put one curl in this and it was in the front. I didn't do anything else. The hair literally came curled like this. Of course, I did put some layers in there because, you know, we got to layer 5. We got to do our little thing to make it fit us. Today's hair is by Unice. You guys know I have worked with this company many times. Unice has some really good quality top tier hair at affordable prices. I absolutely love this company. They never send me anything that I am not happy with. It is always top tier, 10 out of 10. I do recommend. So today's unit is a pre-curled, I think it's called Balayage, like blonde and black type of highlight type of hair. It is a 7x5. I am loving these 7x5 closures. I cannot stress that enough. This is 100% glueless. I did put some mousse in this to, you know, just mold my baby hairs and to like just hold it down a little bit. If you don't want to deal with glue or anything like that, get you with these 7x5s, which are glueless. It's gonna fit your head a lot snugger than a actual full closure, because you know the full closure is going to have the flaps on the side. This doesn't have that. If you know what you're doing, you will be able to finesse it and just bring out a little bit of hair on the edges. This is so easy. Anybody can do this. 100% beginner friendly. This is 20 inches. I'm going to make sure that all of the information pop up right here. Y'all know the drill. It is silky smooth, stunning. The coloring that they did on this, stunning. 10 out of 10. The lace, 10 out of 10. Okay, yes, it does not come with baby hairs, so if you want baby hairs, you can totally do that. You're gonna see in the beginning of the video that you really don't need to put baby hairs. Like, you can just lay it as is. But I'm gonna be honest with y'all, one of the main reasons that I love baby hairs is because I can cover the lace. It's kind of like you're hiding the lace, that extra step to hide the lace. It's never gonna be non-existent. It is a lace wig, but we're gonna try our best to make it a little bit more or less clockable. You feel me? So yeah, the hair is super luxurious. It's beautiful. Look at this. I didn't curl this. I did not curl this. It came straight out of the pack. Look at that little swoop right there. Ooh, that was after I cut it, of course. Look at that little swoop right there. I did not do anything to this. This came straight out of the pack just like this. Super stunning. I just love this. And for the summertime, oh yeah. This could also carry you into fall because the browns are not too bright. Like, the highlights in it are not that bright, so it can totally carry you into fall. And I really like this. This is, and the density is 150 regular density, but still there's a lot of fullness, a lot of body to it. It's just really nice. I like this a lot. Okay, a lot. Imagine you have somewhere to go and you don't have time to be doing a whole entire, you know what I'm saying, curling this and curling that. And after you get this, you know what you could do? You can get like that little silky, you know, the little silky thing, or even just your bendy rollers. Let it sit overnight and you're ready to go. Like, the hair is holding a curl because it came all the way from over the pond to me in this box, curled up, and it's been sitting here until I got to it, still curled up. And now that we have it on, I can tell that these curls are not going to flop. I do have a little light hairspray in there, but this, I like this, and I love the length. This is 20 inches. 20 inches look good on me. Y'all, I like it. I like it a lot. This is beautiful. Let's get right on in to the styling of this video.
Hey, look. I guess it's by the grace of God or Allah. I done came up on some dollars, stun like daddy on my mama. Hallelujah. I ain't tripping, slipping, falling by what these talking. Get your roll on Stephen Hawking, power to you. I tried and I can't give up. I just don't know how. You minds is always running, ain't said nothing profound. They got me isolated, meditating, letting no sound. They bickering about some politics and proper pronouns. That's why I'm distant, dipping, cooling somewhere with my shawty. I'm rolling up that she cooking, turning on that shawty. I visualized it in my head and went and got it my way. No baller blockers in my huddle, trying to figure my play. I get that cheese and flip that chicken, walking spatula. You want a feature that might cost you a new Acura. My blood rushing, now she oh you Dracula. She make it clap and I'm gon' clap that right back at her. This spectacular, man. I just handle the best way that I know how. Your commentary, you don't know me no how. If you feel it, you ain't even gotta know how. How we made it this far, I don't even know how. I just handle the best way that I know how. Whoever hating, they don't know me no how. They can't do it like we do it, they don't know how. How we made it this far, I don't even know how. I guess it's by my DNA addiction. I got motion, they got friction. Got these poppers out here picking on a player maybe. And you could peep my disposition. Know that I ain't intuition, know my name, but I'm just loving how you say it lately. I'm grown, I learned to smoke my and mind my business. So them haters and they homies, we up in this. They in they feelings on that modem, boy, I thought I told them. I got my paper, drop my scrotum, it's too hot to hold them. And we still gleaming, we still mobbing, I don't plan on stopping. You gon' do it with all that flogging when we on your noggin. I know they lame, but I can't hate them, that just ain't my flavor. They claim my music underground, but I live too major. And I just handle the best way that I know how. Your commentary, you don't know me no how. If you feel it, you ain't even gotta know how. How we made it this far, I don't even know how. I just handle the best way that I know how. Whoever hating, they don't know me no how. They can't do it like we do it, they don't know how. How we made it this far, I don't even know how. Hey, look, I guess it's by the grace of God of Allah. I done came up on some dollars, done like daddy on my mama, hallelujah. I ain't tripping, slipping, falling by what these talking. Get your roll on Stephen Hawking, power to you. I tried and I can't give up, I just don't know how. You minds is always running, ain't said nothing profound. They got me isolated, meditating, letting no sound. They bickering about some politics and proper pronouns. That's why I'm distant, dipping, cooling somewhere with my shawty. I'm rolling up that she cooking, turning on that shawty. I visualized it in my head and went and got it my way. No baller blockers in my huddle, trying to figure my play. I get that cheese and flip that chicken, walking spatula. You want a feature that might cost you a new Acura. My blood rushing, now she...
So yeah, that is basically it. Super easy. I don't know how much more easier they can make these units for y'all, okay? And like I said, you don't have to do the baby hairs. If I did not do the baby hairs, I probably, you just put it on and go. Okay, put a little mousse, tie it down for 2 seconds because mousse dries really quick, and it's going to give you a decent hold because there's no flaps on the side, so you're going to be safe and secure throughout the day. You get what I'm saying? That is stunning. I have nothing more to say. Okay, y'all already know if it ain't good hair, it don't make it on hair. Make sure you check the description box. Everything will be linked down below for you. This is a go and get it, girl. Run, don't walk. I love it. If it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here. Make sure you check out UniceHair. All the information will be down in the description box. Everything will be linked down there for you, and they always kind of give you a discount code on these videos. It might not be my name, it might be my name, but make sure you clock into that and save you some extra coins. Follow me on all my social media platforms, TikTok, IG. I know I haven't really been active on these pages, but that's because I've just really been focusing on vlogging right now. Like, I'm struggling to balance everything. Okay, comment down below because I want to hear from you guys. And yeah, until the next video, take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys really soon.